Guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I post videos on luxury, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you like any or all of those things, definitely feel free to subscribe to my channel, of course, and hit the notification bell. I do post 2 times a week. And today for you all, I have an unboxing. So if you like videos like this, feel free to give me a thumbs up. And without further ado, we'll get started. All right. So if you guys are following me on Instagram and specifically watch my Insta stories, then you already know that yesterday I went shopping. I went to Nordstrom, and you probably already know exactly what this bag is. I mean, you probably already know from the title anyways, but if you want like little behind the scenes, little shop with me videos, just fun, cute stuff, make sure you are following me on Instagram and follow my Insta stories. I post very frequently and I'm just obsessed with like the whole aesthetic of Instagram. Just, you want to follow me on Instagram. So this is the bag that it came with. Honestly, like nothing super special. Maybe if I would have purchased it directly from Longchamp, it would have been packaged a little nicer. But honestly, for this bag, it's more about the bag itself than like the experience of it. So I got, and this is so like not dramatic, but anyways, so I got the don't need that. All right, so I got the Longchamp La Pliage tote, and this is in a size large. So if you're not familiar with Longchamp or their like La Pliage line, Longchamp is a French brand, as you can tell by the name. I'm probably butchering the pronunciation of it. And La Pliage means like folded or something like that. So basically you unsnap this and it unfolds into a full proper tote bag. And of course it's pleated because it's been folded, but like once you actually like fill it out, put stuff in here, you'll see that some of that'll go away. This is in the color Pink Ice. It's showing up pretty true to color. So if you guys are wondering, this material is nylon. So Longchamp is known for their nylon bags. It's really perfect for travel just because the nylon is super durable, lasts forever. And I know this is pink, but it's actually really, really easy to clean these bags. So that's why a lot of people love them. So yes, because of the durability, because of just how easy it is to carry, you can fold it, unfold it. I think it's perfect for travel. So I definitely intend on using this for travel. This could be a good gym bag. Of course, it could be a diaper bag for Brylan. It could even be like an overnight bag. So that's how I intend on using this item. I will of course do a video showing what I put in here and how I intend on using this for travel. Now, if you all have been following me, then you know that I've had the Neverfull on my wish list. And then I recently put this on my wish list because it's much cheaper. So this is only $145, whereas a Neverfull it's like $1,400. And I feel like this will really test whether or not I will use a tote bag because I've never really had one. And another big difference between this bag and the Neverfull is that this bag does have a full zipper. And then if you don't want to use a zipper but you want to still just keep it secure, it does of course have this snap closure in the front. And then this shoulder strap is actually really comfortable. So I will be doing mod shots for you all, but also just really super quick. I did get this top from Free People at the mall as well. And then I also got these shorts from Zara. And if you want to see just kind of other behind the scenes stuff that I get, follow me on Instagram. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this Longchamp unboxing. If there's any specific content that you all would like to see on my channel, please let me know in the description box below. That's everything. Remember to be good to yourselves, and I will see you next time.